Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about binomial distribution. So now I want to show you how to answer exactly 4 bytes learned from outside. So now we can apply the formula in here. That is about n r, and we have b to the power of r multiplied by q. Q in here, that's about 1 minus b to the power of n minus r. So we have 4% by outside, so that means r equals to number 4, and that's about total number of students, that's about 24. B, that's about the percentage by outside, that's about 9%. And now we put the number code here. So that should be about 24 number 4 multiplied by 9%, or I can write about 0.09 to the power of 4 and 1 minus 0.09. This one, that's about the percentage, not by outside. So we have 24 minus number 4. About this one, that is about the combination, and we have 24 factorial over number 4 factorial. 24 minus number 4 factorial in here. So this one we calculate, and that is about 10,626. So we put this number with this number in here, and we have 0.1057, and this is the answer for the question. Now let's go to the second one. So at most 2 bytes learned from outside, that means we have r equals to 0, number 1 and number 2. So we apply the formula of this one, and we need to sum everything in here. This one, there is no student by outside, plus this one. This one, that's it, there is one student by outside, and the last one. This one, there are 2 students by outside here, so we sum all the numbers together in here. And this one we have 316, and that is the answer. The next one, we need to find the mean. The mean of this one, that should be about n multiplied by p. So n, we just have 24 students. B, that's it, about 0.09. That's it from here. So this one we calculate, and we have 2.16. And the next one, that is about standard deviation. So we have SD equals to the square root of variance. and this one we have the square root and b multiplied by 1 minus b. So for this one, that is about the square root of 24 for n. B, that is about 0.09. 1 minus b, that is about 0.91. So we calculate this one and we have 1.4020, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.